Hey Rosebuzz, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time here, let it not be your last time. Please watch a few videos, and if it's something that you like, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and take me to 1,000 subscribers. So today I plan to go on the road. No, I am living in like a country area, so there's not any big store or anything, and I'm in Jamaica. So I'm just gonna go probably to the Chinese wholesale and pick up like 2 glasses and 2 bowls. I have 2 of each, and I just want to make it 4 because I really like them, especially the plates. It holds a lot. You can drink your soup in there, and I really like it a lot. So I just want to buy 2 more of each, and I just need probably like a mop and a broom and a pot for my flowers for my snake plant. So taking it along. So let's go together. So we're in this wholesale, Chinese wholesale, and I'm just gonna pick up a few things. I'm going to get what I came here for, the 2 dishes and bowl. No, the 2 bowls and the 2 drinking glasses. So I'm just gonna pick up a garbage bag, which is I just want to pick up the small size, so I just need a small one. So I'm going to pick up this, and let's go for the main thing that I'm here for. Okay, so I'm at the bowl section, and these are the bowls that I was telling you about. Let's see, I need to get a basket. So I bought 2 of these, and the price is $500 for one. And I really like these bowls. They're a good size. You can do food, rice, or whatever, anything you want in the soup. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. That's $500. That's 1,000 Jamaican dollars. I will calculate it in US and put it on the screen there. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. 2 of these bowls. I need to get me a trolley. I really like these bowls, so I'm gonna get me 2 of these, and the drinking glasses that I absolutely love. I'm hoping that they have them. Oh, I think I see them. Was it this? Yeah, I think it's these. This is what they have. This is the one, and $200, $260. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. I really like them. Not too big, not too small. And you know, as I was thinking, Mother's Day coming up, you know, probably you can get some form of, you know, similar thing for your mother, probably for glasses. Oh, probably sorry about that. For glasses like this for your mom, they do come in the pack. Or like something like these wine glasses, you know, and even like these bowls, plates, dishware. That's another nice gift for your mom, a dishware set, you know. Yeah, let me go get a basket and get my stuff. Okay, so I got me my trolley. So I got my 2 dishes, and I'm gonna get my 2 glasses. So here I'm getting the other glasses. So I have the 2 drinking glasses and 2 bowl. So you know, you can never have too much pins because, you know, I'm in a tropical climate. So, and this pack of pin is for $145. The other one, the bigger one, is for $170. I think I probably might get me another pack of clothespin. Alrighty, so I got what I came here for. Let's see what else that I want. Yeah, think I'm going to get another, like a pack of soap powder, because I'm mainly using unscented soap for my clothes, but you know, sometimes I will use the soap powder to do, you know, scrubbing or anything. So I think I might just get like a small pack of soap powder. Not anything too, not anything too big or anything like that, because I don't really use it like a lot of soap powder per se. But I think I probably could get this one. Let's see what the price is for it. See the price is $410. I'm not sure if I want to spend $410 because, as I say, this is not what I used to do my laundry. I just like to keep just a little powder in hand, you know, just for a little clean up or a little scrubbing. So I'm not sure if I want to get that one. I probably just look for a cheaper one and get it. This one is $165. Suitable for hand and machine wash. Strong for performance. I don't like smelling strong. I don't like strong smelling soap at all because it's not my cup of tea. I like a fragrance and things there. So I don't know about this one. Brand colors. And this is $200. The other one is $400. I don't like strong chemical smelling stuff. I'll just buy this little one for $135. I mean, I don't use a lot of soap, so yeah. Alright guys, so let's go back. This is $400. And I mean, mackerel is my favorite mackerel. This is Carl's mackerel. Sometimes you can make like a quick meal. It's a mackerel and dumpling or yam or something, Jamaican style. So I'm gonna get 3 of these mackerels. These don't have like modified cornstarch or anything in there, so I do prefer these. They don't have any spices because my stomach can't take spices, so I'll take some of this, which is the Carl's. No. So these are the mops that I find and the broom. I prefer a mop that has like not a lot of fibers in there, because when you wet it tends to be heavy and hard on your back when you have to push that mop filled with heavy water to, you know, clean your house and like that. So this one's not too bad. It's not gonna have the fibers in here, so you can easily move along with it. So I think I'm going to take this one here. Don't know what the price is. So I think I'm gonna take this one. Let's see if I can find a broom, and then that's it. We're only here. These are the rooms that they have. I'm not sure about these rooms. It's a light that I want, but there's a light that I want, but it's not. The bristles them look a bit short. That's the problem. The purpose is a bit short. I'm not sure. Let's continue looking. Let's continue looking over here. Alright, let me see this one. Alright, this looks like the same one. So I'm not sure. Well, this one feels soft, but you don't have the edges to go in the corner that I like. the corner edges. Like this one, like on the slant edges, this one on the slant edges. So I'm not sure about this one. Okay. Let me check at the back. Alright. Okay, this looks like the same thing. These look like the same thing. I don't know, I might just probably have to just go with one of these. Let's see, because I don't want to be going from pillow to post. This one over there, so I think I'm gonna take that one over there. Okay. Wow, guys, look at that. Dark clouds and rain falling. I just missed the rain. Just missed the rain. I'm back, so I'm just gonna show you my little haul that I did. Let's go take a look. Okay there. Okay guys, so this is my little haul that I did. I did not get the flower pot to put my snake plant in, but guess I'll get that at another time. So I got my mop and I got a broom for my house. I got my vinegar because I use vinegar a lot in cleaning to make my non-toxic cleaning solutions and bed refreshener spray. I'm gonna show you how I made that in another video. So this is my little haul. So I got these two bowls, ceramic bowls, and they are nice and deep and they're very good for soup. So I actually have two, and I wanted to get two more to make it four, and the same thing with these two drinking glasses. So I just love them. So yeah, so I just need to wash them, let them look pretty, because this is one that I actually drink water out of, and when you wash it, get off the dust, it's really look like crystal. So I really like it. And I got me a pack of clothespin because I prefer to spread my clothes out. I do have a dryer, but when the sun is hot, I do prefer to spread my clothes out. And as I was saying, I got me a little pack of soap powder. I use the unscented Free and Clear soap on my clothes because I'm chemical sensitive. And I just got me a small bag of garbage bag. So that was my little haul. The only thing that I didn't get was a flower pot, and I guess I'll get that at another time. So guys, this is my little haul, and thanks for coming out with me on the road. If you like to see vlogs, you can leave a comment if you'd like me to vlog more of my life, even though it's not exciting. But and if you would like to see a little cleaning video or how I refresh my bedroom, etc., please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.